Why so late? It's almost dinner time.
The teacher made me stay after school.
Listen, if you messed up again, Dad's really gonna clobber you. What'd you do this time?
Gee, Wally. Yeah, all I did was grab some videos off the internet for my project for school, and the teacher wouldn't accept it because I didn't cite my sources. But I did. I did cite my sources. See?
Here, let me see that. Oh, here's your problem. You can't list Google as a source. You have to list the sites where you found the actual videos.
How am I going to do that? I don't even remember where I found them.
Hey, ladies.
Hey, Freddie.
What you got there? Let me see that.
Hey, give that back.
Ah, citing Google as a source, eh? Yep, had a kid in history class. Did the same thing. You know what happened to him? Copyright police busted right in, yanked him right out of class.
Really?
Come on, Freddie.
Yep. Little squirt like you's gonna be real popular in prison.
Am I really going to go to jail, Wally?
Stop freaking the kid out, Freddie.
Wally, Weezer, dinner time.
Listen, you better cut out that crying before dinner so Dad doesn't start asking any questions.
Okay, Wally.
What a lovely meal you've prepared tonight, Mrs. Weaver.
So, tell me, Freddie, why are you joining us for dinner? Again?
Well, Mr. Weaver, you see, my father is away on a business trip, so Mother is entertaining again.
Careful, Freddie, this is a family show.
Sorry, Mr. Weaver. Well, anyway, I was just educating young Mr. Weezer over here on the various aspects of our prison system.
Oh, nice going, Freddie.
Ward, what's wrong with Weezer?
Wallace, perhaps you can explain what's going on?
Weezer had to stay after school because he didn't cite any of the sources he used in his media project.
Well, all right then, I'll just have to go upstairs and have a talk and explain it to him.
No offense, Mr. Weaver, but do you even know how to send an email?
Freddie's got a point, dear.
All right then. Wallace, you go up and explain it to him.
Oh, gee whiz, Dad. I was going over to Lumpy Gunderson's house to feed dead flies to his iguana.
You can waste time with your friends later. Right now, upstairs.
Okay, Dad.
Don't you have somewhere you can go, Freddie?
Well, I was really hoping for some of that wonderful dessert Mrs. Weaver has prepared. On second thought, I think I have some homework I need to do. I better get going. Thank you for a lovely meal, Mrs. Weaver.
Goodbye, Freddie.
Gee, Wally. Sorry to make Dad get all mad and yell at you and stuff.
It's all right. Let's go ahead and get this done before Lumpy runs out of dead flies. So here's what you do when you need to use clips from Discovery Streaming. First, you find a clip or a picture that you like, and you do what you did before. You download it. But here's the important part. Before clicking away from this page, you go over here and you click the Citations tab. See that? You've got your MLA, APA, and Chicago style, depending on where your teacher went to school. You just pick the one you want to use. You take it and you highlight it, and then you cut it out. Then you go to your Word document and you just paste it in. That's it. Oh, and don't forget to save.
Gee, Wally, with the citation information right there, it's really easy to cite resources from Discovery Streaming. I just wish I knew how to do it before.
Yeah, I know. Lots of teachers don't get this tech stuff. They think all the cool stuff comes out of books and junk.
But the cool teachers get it, right, Wally?
I guess.
Hey, Wally, you think Dad will ever figure out how to use a computer?
Don't bet on it, kid. Come on, let's go see if Lumpy's got any flies left.